Few people think about they are going to succeed in 2 months, 2 days, 3 days, but success is going to come to you at perfect time. You have to wait for it. I mean, patience is the key for the success. You have to keep your patience, and if you keeping your patience and working with the good focus, mindset and consistency, success is 100% going to come to you. But you are not going to think like you are going to get succeed in 2 days, 3 days, 3 month, 2 month. Minimum time period you have to fix about success is that 3 years. Consistently work on a specific project, specific thing, specific work. 3 years consistently to think about that, to get out there. You have to structure every single day. You have to structure your day with a specific type of the consistency to achieve your dreams, because you cannot get successful in 3 days, 3 months, but you have to fix a time period, 3 years, 5 years, because long term success is better than short term success.